That's why I said on a day when I sit sa City Hall, it would amount to something like 400 to 700,000 a day. Medicines alone. Kaya ako nag-atitipid kasi alam ko kailangan ng mga tao yan. But at least dito sa Davao, kung may sakit ka, whatever, cancer, gano'n, may ibigay talaga ako sa iyo.
400 to
400 to 700,000 a day yan.
1,000 a
Pag
day.
mag-upo ako sa City Hall.
Wow.
Oh, talagang mahirap yung tao eh. Tsaka, food. Kaya sabihin mo sa Davao na may namamatay sa gutom, may maniwala ng gano'n. Kasi kung sabihin mo hindi ka makapuntang City Hall, sabihin mo lang sa barangay captain mo, hatid ko yung pagkain. No? That is bigat. Nobody dies of hunger in the city. That's why I said I'm taking care, extra care of the funds so that I can respond to the needs. Mainly, it's really, government is for those who have lost hope, for the defenseless and for the helpless. Yan lang ang trabaho ko.